Okay, another one of Ronnie's items, or I'm sorry. Hi everyone! Okay, I got another item from Ronnie's bag. This is another thing that I can't live without. I used to, well, kind of still do sometimes, I'm kind of cheat, go to the tanning bed. And I like to have a nice tan. I don't like to be super white and pasty, so, you know, I'm a sucker. I'll go to the tanning bed. I try to do the, you know, the low UV, but whatever, it's still a tanning bed. It's still, you know, bad for your skin. So, you know, I will admit that I am bad there. But there's a product that I use that I think is probably the best for me. I'm sure there's other products on the market that are just, you know, that are really great, more expensive, and I'm all about going with the less expensive. So I love Banana Boat. This self tanner is awesome. I've used other self tanners. I've streaked, I've looked orange, and I definitely don't want to look like Jersey Shore or anybody on there. So this is my choice for the best tanner. Oh, and the other thing is it doesn't stink. There are some self tanners out there that smell really bad and everybody around you knows you used a self tanner. That kind of sucks. Nobody likes that. This is my favorite. It's a gel. It doesn't smell. And it comes out just in gel form. Rub it on. You could screw up. Don't screw up, but you could screw up and not do it 100% perfectly, and it still won't streak and look bad. It's my daughter uses this, and I know she probably speeds through, you know, self tanner really fast, and even she still looks good, and she's really, really white. So if she can put it on and look super, then it's probably foolproof. Not that she's a fool, but it's foolproof. You can get them in different shades. This one's the light to medium color, and then there's the dark. So what I'll do is I'll do the light to medium for a while, and once I've kind of built up a little bit of a base tan, then I'll use the dark one, and then I'll just stick with the dark and rotate that over and over again. Once you get going with this, you probably only need to do it twice a week and then go down to once a week. The thing is with this that I've noticed is it does stick around for quite a while. And the thing also that I've noticed with it, that I have noticed with other ones, is when it starts to fade away, it doesn't look like that crackle wood finish that some of them do. Like you look at your legs and your legs are all crackled, and that's gross. Nobody likes that. This does not do that. What I would recommend though, if you're going to do it, don't put it on like super dry legs. I would moisturize. We can shave first, obviously, and then moisturize. Let that sit in, and then put this on. That's the best way to go about it. Because dry skin, it's obviously going to flake off, and this isn't going to help if your skin's flaking off. And then between uses, always moisturize. I like to put cocoa butter on my legs every single day, all over my body, every day, just to stay nice and, you know, moisturized. And then it helps to stay longer. So you can get this at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, I believe, and it's called Banana Boat. Thanks.